Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to unlock a simple but powerful way to make your Power BI reports stand out and feel uniquely yours, adding custom icons. If you've been a little underwhelmed by the limited icon options inside Power BI, stick around. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring in any icon you want, giving your dashboards a bit more personality and that extra polish your audience will notice. Let's dive right in. When you open Power BI and want to add an icon, you might start by looking at the built-in options. If you head to the Insert tab and click on Buttons, you'll see a handy selection of standard icons you can use right away. These are great for quick projects, but pretty soon you'll realize they're fairly limited. Maybe you're after something more specific, like a unique download symbol, a social media logo, or an icon that really matches your company's branding. That's totally normal. Think of the built-in icons as a starter pack, not the full artist's palette. So let's get you some fresh options. The fastest way to find the perfect icon: Google. Open up your browser and search for Flaticon. Flaticon.com is a fantastic site packed with thousands of high-quality icons in almost every style imaginable. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for exactly what you need, maybe analytics, cloud upload, or even something quirky like pizza if that's what your report needs. You'll see a ton of results in different styles: flat, line, colored, monochrome, so take a minute to pick one that fits your visual theme. When you found the right icon, just click on it. Usually there will be a download button. Choose the PNG format. PNGs are great because they have a transparent background, so the icon will look clean on your report without any strange white boxes or borders. Once your icon is downloaded, it's time to jump back into Power BI and bring your vision to life. Head back to your report in Power BI. Go to the Insert tab again, but this time select Image. A new window will pop up. Just browse for your freshly downloaded icon. Click Open, and there it is. Your custom icon is now part of your Power BI report. You can drag it around, resize it, and place it anywhere you need. And honestly, that's all there is to it. But let me reassure you, if your icon looks a bit too big or too small, or maybe you downloaded a colored icon but need it in black and white, you can always go back to Flaticon and try a different style or adjust the size before downloading. Sometimes the perfect fit takes 1 or 2 tries. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to get your icons matching your report's color scheme, layout, or mood. That's part of the creative process. Remember, using custom icons isn't just about aesthetics. It can also help your viewers quickly understand the purpose of different visuals or buttons, making your reports more engaging and easier to navigate. It's like adding clear road signs to your dashboards. Alright, that wraps up our quick guide to bringing custom icons into Power BI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you've got questions or tips of your own, drop a comment down below. I love hearing your thoughts. And if you're interested in more easy, practical tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.